I studied in UST, University of Santo Tomas, Bachelor of Science, major in Business Administration. Technically, yung father ko kasi was former employee of one of the biggest corporation here in the Philippines. So, that's the reason why I took up that course. Kasi parang ang mindset ko noon, I want to be like him. My mother is a public school teacher and yung father ko was a mechanic by profession. And then, kahit paano, hindi naman kami mahirap, hindi rin naman kami ganun kayaman. Magasakto lang din. One of the biggest contributor of my success right now in terms of entrepreneurship is siguro yung background ko way back nung bata pa ako na in-involve ako lagi ng parents ko sa mga organizations. When I graduated college and working in the biggest corporations, though I have a big company na gusto ng mga graduate ng business ads, of course, kaya lang bitin yung sahod and alam ko few years after kulang pa din, kukulangin pa din. That's the reason why I need to do something para mag-progress ako na hindi ako ma-stuck up sa gantong kaliit na salary. That's the reason why I started reading books. Kahit na hindi ako nakapag-enroll, I still managed to read business books sa mga bookstores. So doon nagsimula, I think, yung influence sa akin into business. Kasi there are a lot of authors. Nabasa ko yung mga story ng buhay nila, yung mga mindset nila. I said to myself, I want to be like them. I want to create my own path into the business life na gusto ko maging successful din kagaya nila. I'm into franchising business right now and amazing that I got into this business because wala talaga akong pangkapital. Natutunan ko kasi na hindi mo kailangan ng sarili mong pera to start a business. So you can use other people's money for you to start your own. So that's where I started. Nanghiram ako sa mga friends ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, babayaran ko rin after a month or two. And then, yun, nakabuo ko ng pang-startup ko. And then, yun na. My family is really into employment and wala naman kaming background sa business. So nung nasa entrepreneurial world na ako, nakaka-encounter ako ng mga bagay na hindi ko na-encounter before. So yung talagang nawawalan ako ng pera, as in talaga nasasagad ako, I have to talk to people, then nare-reject ka ng mga tao, then you get disappointed, you get frustrated. So those are the things na talagang kakalabanin mo lang sa simula eh. I think, especially when it comes to business, hindi talaga lahat ng tao maniniwala kagad sa'yo. Make sure that you know what you want in your life, especially financially. There's a lot of aspects in our life that we can be successful. But if you want to become successful financially, you need to venture into business. And this is the easiest way to learn and to have the process of really learning how to become an entrepreneur. Because that's what's more important for me. Yung proseso ng pagkatuto on how to develop yourself to become entrepreneurs. Especially, I started at a young age. So, when I started, I gained a lot of experience and knowledge or when I started the business already. That's made me who I am right now, I think. And I believe na malaking contributory yung ginrab ko lang at in-embrace ko yung opportunity na mapunta ako sa learning process. Every experiences can give you wisdom in life and in business. Thank you, NCO Pan Pacific Eminence Awards, for recognizing my achievements and for giving me this opportunity to share to you my experiences and my achievements for the past years. And para sa akin, guys, importante na maging focus tayo dun sa mga gusto nating ma-achieve sa buhay, especially in your business endeavor. Maganda na tinutuloy-tuloy natin yung mga gusto nating goals and yung mga big achievements na gusto natin mangyari for our families and for all the people who's trusting us. Of course, yung opportunity na ma-share ko to sa inyo and makapag-share ako dito sa recognition na to is very meaningful for me because this is my first recognition. So para sa akin, just believe in yourself and continue pushing for your dreams. Don't forget to always see the big picture always. Especially pag nahihirapan ka, pag na-challenge ka, always think of the bigger picture na gusto mong mangyari dun sa business mo and dun sa sarili mo.